Hi, in today's Library 101, we're going to go over alphabet soup for North Dakota librarians. Alphabet soup. So why another video? Because we didn't want to make the first alphabet soup video too long, it was decided to break it down into a few different ones. Many of the common acronym suggestions that we received were North Dakota specific. So this video was created for North Dakota librarians. These videos are intended to provide the user with bite-sized information to help them in the profession. Will there be repeat information from the last alphabet soup video? Because we tried to keep this video as specific to North Dakota and the region as possible, there shouldn't be any repeat acronyms from the general alphabet soup video. The information found in this video could be useful to professionals outside of the state, but it is specific to the state of North Dakota and the region. For more general acronyms, please find the original alphabet soup video and the acronyms found on the American Library Association's website. So what are some common acronyms? These are MPLA, which is the Mountain Plains Library Association, NDLA, which is the North Dakota Library Association, NDSL is the North Dakota State Library, BSCDN is Big Sky Country Digital Network, SHSND is the State Historical Society of North Dakota, NDLCC is the North Dakota Library Coordinating Council, ELM is eLibrary of Minnesota, NDUS is North Dakota University System. DH stands for Digital Horizons, though this isn't used quite as often. ODIN, or ODIN, is the Online Dakota Information Network. NDCC is the North Dakota Century Code. SCHLIB Talk, or SCHLIB stands for School Library Talk. And finally, LIBYAC, or LibYac, stands for Library Yak, Libraries Yakking. That one doesn't have a specific that it stands for, but it's good to know what it generally refers to. If you have any questions about this video or any of the other Library 101s, please contact me at ndsltrain@nd.gov.